Hi guys, today we are making fruit custard. First we will heat a pan, then we will add milk. Here I am using 500 ml of milk. Then I am adding some rose petals, stir them well. Now take a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of custard powder, then add lukewarm milk. Guys, I am using butterscotch custard powder, you can use your favorite one. This is 1/3 cup of sugar. For extra richness and creaminess, here I am adding cream. Transfer it into a bowl. Now we will place the custard in the fridge about 2 to 3 hours. It will get more thicker and creamier. Now you can add rose water, it's completely optional. Now serve it in a bowl. Now add some fruits. I am adding apple, banana and some pomegranate seeds. And garnish with some dry fruits. Guys, if you are new to my channel then please do subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.